And what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the new garage, starting probably my favorite project that I've been wanting to do on this motorcycle. So let me fill you in. Everybody knows Black Betty. Sorry about the camera quality. I got you on the GoPro. My other camera battery is shot, so it's going to be on. This video will be shot on GoPro. Like I said, everybody knows Black Betty. I will go over a list of all the upgrades we have done once I'm done with this one. But as you can see, we got the fender ready. We're doing a fat tire, front tire kit. I haven't said that yet. We got the tire rim all mounted up here. That is our front tire we're going with. We finished the front fender yesterday. I didn't film all that. I'm just going to be filming the assembly and everything, so. And this video will take a couple days because I'm waiting on the fork cans for the front, and that's the last piece I'm waiting on. But today we're going to take it apart and get everything kind of mocked up, and then that way when the fork cans get here, we're all ready to go get it together. So we'll probably have some time lapses of disassembly. So yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, as you can see, that was very quick disassembly. All of our parts up here. We will be reusing these, and of course the dash pieces. I might replace that part because it's a little chipped up and bugs and stuff. But this is the old front fender. That's the new one. We'll be selling that and that, the tire, rim, rotors, and everything. And yeah, that's just like that. A lot of room for activities. Once you get that little dash piece off, you got so much room down there to do whatever you need to do and take those clamps off and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty easy. Now, it'll probably be a few days before we come back to this because I'm waiting on the cans instead. And I'm gonna paint the front forks again. Probably not gonna film that just because it's boring to watch. So yeah. We're back in a few days, guys. Today is the day we finish this build. or this upgrade rather. Let me show you what we got going on. So we were waiting on the fork slider covers, whatever you call them, fork cans. You have to have some that are cut for the wide tire and the fender. There's a little cutout section right here. This is the stock ones. We had to take my rim back to the dealer and get the tire flipped over because it was running in the wrong direction. These you have to run it backwards. We did recoat the lowers. I guess it is spray paint, but it's very durable spray paint. And we put some coats of clear on there. It's actually the same paint that I have on the fender, so that'll be extra durable. And I'm still waiting on this little piece. I ordered a new one of these. It's actually gloss black instead of spray painted with chips in it. So, but we can still put everything back together while we're waiting on that stuff. It will be another time lapse because I really don't feel like just showing every little thing, but I'll show you the completed product when we get done. So stay tuned, enjoy the time lapse, and if I have any other updates, I'll come back and holler at you. And what is up, everybody? Welcome back. As you can see, we are done with the fat tire upgrade. Sorry about all the time lapses. It was easier to do it that way. So let me walk you through it and give you my final thoughts. Yes, I did do air ride. Did not do a video. I plan on doing like a final, or like a walkthrough of every upgrade I've done since my last video, because I've done quite a few, and I didn't film them or couldn't film them. So, but we're just talking about the fat tire for today. Did go with a Southern Machine Company front wheel and the Shinko 777 tire. The fender and the fork cans are Arlen Ness. I had to paint the fender myself. I didn't film that, but that's actually spray paint, if anybody believes that. Actually painted it myself. Had to buff it and wax it and everything. It was cheaper that way because it just comes bare metal. Everything else I used was already stock on the bike, like the suspension. That's stock suspension. I did get new rotors because this wheel had a smaller hub, so I had to get the rotor with the smaller bolt pattern, which I didn't mind it. You do have to remove the suspension to get the fork cans on. That's the hardest part. You gotta take your Speedo and this plastic cover off, and there's a couple clamps, which I think it was relatively easy. So, but yeah, that is the finished product. I love the way that thing looks. So much neater now. Oh, and while we were in there, I did replace the little bottom skirt part there. It was all nicked up with bugs. So yeah. If you have any questions, you guys can leave them down below. Like I said, I'll come out here soon and do every upgrade I've done kind of overview video. That way I can put links and stuff in the video for everybody that's always asking. So, alright guys, and once again, if you liked that video, go down and hit like, subscribe for us. It helps us out. You're gonna leave me a comment. Tell me what you like about it. Tell me what you don't like about it. Yeah, it should be fun. But yeah guys, if you have more questions or comments, leave them down below. Like I said, I will link the products I used for the fat tire upgrade in the description. We will see you in the next video.